Welcome to our e-learning video on the subject of Bonapartism. Bonapartism refers to the political ideology and practices associated with the French military leader and statesman, Napoleon Bonaparte. It is characterized by a strong, centralized government led by a single leader who holds executive power and is able to bypass or override the usual constitutional and democratic processes. Bonapartism emerged in France during the 19th century, following the fall of Napoleon's empire and the restoration of the Bourbon monarchy. It was associated with the rise of Napoleon III, who came to power in a coup in 1851 and established a new empire in France. Bonapartist ideology emphasizes nationalism, authoritarianism, and a strong central government. It is often associated with the use of plebiscites, or direct popular votes, to legitimize the leader's rule and the suppression of political opposition. Bonapartism has been a recurring feature in French politics throughout the 19th and 20th century, and it has also been observed in other countries, particularly in Latin America. It's important to note that Bonapartism is a controversial political ideology, and it has been criticized for promoting authoritarianism and undermining democratic institutions. Thank you for watching this e-learning video on the subject of Bonapartism. Understanding the history, goals, and ideologies of Bonapartism is important in understanding the political landscape of France and other countries at the time, and the impact of its actions on the country and the world.